Hi, my name is Tresha Armstrong. I'm 39 years old and I'm originally from Durham, North Carolina. When I was a teenager, I would go out with my parents on Sunday and we would just go to model homes and just dream. I would look at everything, all the details in the home, look at how things were decorated, the drapes, the whole nine. I would go home and see how can I decorate my room just to make it look beautiful. Let's see, what did I do? I would rearrange the furniture. I added an accent wall just to change up the look, and I added a dimmer. I would just do little things just to make it beautiful. And I would change it over a period of time just to see if it gave it a different look. As I got older, I would do it for friends and family, and a lot of times the budgets were small. So I had to be very creative in what I did. I wanted the room to look beautiful. Just because they had a small budget did not mean they could not have a beautiful room, and I made that possible. That meant maybe upcycling a furniture piece they already had, adding an accent wall as opposed to painting the entire wall, rearranging furniture, things of that nature that will make a big difference in the room. A lot of my inspiration came from HGTV and YouTube. I used to look at HGTV all the time. After I get out of college, I would go to my best friend's house, and her mom used to love HGTV just as much. We used to just sit there together and just enjoy all the inspiration, and would talk about ideas that we could implement in our homes. Sometimes I would look at YouTube and get inspired, and I wanted to try to create that project, but a lot of times people didn't share instructions on how to do it. So I've always been a person that wanted to give back to the community, and I decided to make a YouTube channel because I wanted to inspire people, empower people to feel comfortable and confident in themselves to create something on their own. I've been doing DIY videos for about 4 years now, and I share it on all of my platforms. So I wanted to share a couple of projects that people absolutely enjoy. One of the pieces is this abstract painting. I wanted to make something beautiful for my entryway, and I didn't have a lot of money in the budget. So I decided to make one myself using acrylic paint, Floetrol, and a heat gun. And it came out like this. People can't get enough of this black accent wall that I painted and stenciled. It's the same paint, but it has two different finishes. I made this board and batten wall. I'm so in love with this wall. In addition, I've built this coffee table. I built a bench, upcycled this IKEA console table, a Target nightstand that was originally white, but I transformed it and painted it gray and added wallpaper to the front of the drawers. I hope this video has given you some insight about me as well as the things that I do. Thank you so much for your time, and stay well.